What's up, YouTube? Alright, so I'm gonna make a video because I got a couple of requests from my subscribers or people watching my channel to make a video about left turn and right turn parking. I do have videos on the channel about left turn and right turn parking, but since I'm getting requests for it, I'm just going to go ahead and do another one. Okay, so let me just roll through. Alright, so I'm going to do a left turn here. So I'm going to do a series of left turn and right turns, right? So I'm here, I stop at a stop sign. Obviously you will wait for it to be clear. When you're making a left turn, you're going out into the middle of the space, the middle of the road. When your mirror is in the middle of the space, that's when you're going to turn, and then you're going to basically just straighten up on the right side. Okay, so we're going to make another left turn. So again, if you notice, see where that line is there? We're gonna go out into the middle. Make sure it's clear here, obviously. So you go out into the middle, make sure your mirror is past the middle of the space, and then turn and just straighten up like that. And this guy just opened his door without even knocking. So now we're gonna make a right turn. The right turns are a little different. They're tighter, so they're different. So we're gonna make sure that the mirror here is past the curb before you turn. And then you turn like that and straighten up. Okay? We're gonna make another right turn. So again, the right turns are tighter, so they're a little bit more difficult, especially if there's a curb there. So you're gonna make sure the mirror has to pass the curb, the grass, whatever it is. Turn the wheel. When you get to your side, you straighten up. I mean, it really is more about practicing than anything. You just have to practice until you get it. But I still keep getting a lot of people asking me how to make turns, and there's no way to get good at turns unless you practice. You know what I mean? So practice makes perfect. So let me do this right turn again. So you stop at the stop sign, and again, if you notice, you'll see the grass over there. In order for you to do this, you got to make sure your mirror is past the grass, and then turn. Right? If you turn too early, your mirror will your back wheel will go over the grass. You understand? If you turn too early, your back wheel will go over the grass. So you have to make sure your mirror is past it. Same thing here again. We're gonna go out into the middle of the space and then turn to be in the right lane. We're gonna make a right turn again. So you come to the stop sign. And again, we're going to go until the mirror here is past the grass, and then turn to keep it in your lane. And you turn as much as you need to keep it in your lane. If you turn too much, you're going to be on the grass, right? And if you don't turn enough, you're going to end up on the left side of the road. So you really have to kind of use your judgment to put the car where you want it. None of it is automatic. It takes practice. I keep saying that. You got to practice until you get it. So again, we're going to go down to the stop sign, and we're going to make a left turn. Alright, so we come to a stop at the stop sign here. And you're going to creep up to where you can actually see what's going on. You look down to the left, you look to the left and right. So you go out again until you're in the middle of the space and turn. If your mirror is not past the middle, then you're going to end up partially on the left side of the road when you go around the corner. So in order to do that and do that correctly, you have to go out until your mirror is past the middle of the space. If there's a line there, it's fairly easy. If there's not a line, you got to use your judgment. That's what driving is about anyway. It's about judgment. So again, that is how you do left turns and right turns. Left turns, you go out into the middle of the road, make sure your mirror is past the middle, then turn. Right turns, you make sure your mirror is past the grass, the curb, whatever it is. and then turn. Alright? Again, I hope this is helpful. I keep getting asked to make videos about turns, so I hope that's been helpful to you. Again, please like the video, share the video, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Hit that notification bell, and I will see you on the next video.